You're searching how to buy shares of Upwork Inc. Upwork is an online freelancing marketplace that connects businesses with independent professionals and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker UPWK. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will typically verify your identity with a document and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker UPWK to locate the listing. Select the result that explicitly shows Upwork Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it's the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing is for Upwork Inc. Check the company description and exchange details to be sure you have the right asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to submit. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until trading opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the order executes, your Upwork position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A gentle reminder, the eToro link is available in the description if you want to follow the same illustrative steps.